everyone, welcome to Glam Forever. If you're just tuning in, I'm Ayushi Gupta, and in this video we are going to continue the 7-day skincare challenge. In the 7-day skincare challenge, what we prefer to do is we want to get rid of scarring, we're going to get rid of acne, we are going to get rid of aging so fast and get glowing and glass skin. So it's a day 6 and it's almost here, and you can see my tanning is like so much lighter than the first day, as you can see already. So let's see what's the 6-day remedy is. For this, I'm taking a bowl and some baking soda and just 1 tablespoon of baking soda. It's so good for your skin. Somebody say it's not good and some Google search and all, but in reality it's magic. So and then I'm making a paste with water. Made a paste. Now I'm applying it. It's so good for especially for your removing your blackheads and whiteheads from your nose or from your chin, from your forehead. It's all overall good for your skin, but it mostly prefer to use as a removing of blackheads, and we already removed the tanning and we already scrub and facial exercise or some massage, we already do that. Now it's time for removing our blackheads. So it's also so important, if we don't remove our blackheads, that in our nose it's like black some black spots are always there, and it's not look as good as you can say. It looks so dull, your skin feels so dull if you have blackheads on your skin. So it's so important to remove your blackheads from your skin. So it's just the method from removing your blackheads and get glowing skin. And it's also remove scars from your face, and just scrubbing it for 30 to 40 seconds, and after that wash your face. Hi, I washed my face and look at it. Feels so fresh and so good. It does a little bit tingling, but it's okay because it's a baking soda, and it removes my almost blackheads. But it's not remove your blackheads in just one do. You have to do it once a week and not overdo, and just scrub it gentle, that's it. And so after that I will apply moisturizer and sunscreen as always, and I already told you that put in the link in the description below of best moisturizer and sunscreen. So that's it for today's video. As you can look at that, my tanning is almost gone, and my hyperpigmentation area is almost gone, and pimple is totally gone, and it doesn't leave scarring and all. Sometimes it leaves scars and all, but trust me, it didn't leave any scars in just 6 days. So you can understand how helpful this 7-day skincare challenge is for you guys. So please stay tuned and do the 7-day skincare challenge, and you will love the way your skin looks and feels. So that's it for today's video. If you like the video, please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never ever miss any of my updates, and you will get benefits from it. So thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Until then, stay happy, stay tuned.